What's good, YouTube family, man? I am back at it again with another YouTube video, man. As y'all can tell by the thumbnail and the title, we will be doing a highway POV. And I ain't gonna lie, man, this was kind of a highly requested video, you know, from the last video, the last POV I did. You know what I'm saying? People want to see me open this thing up. So, without further ado, man, I just want to say I appreciate everybody that, you know, show love to the channel. Show support to the channel, man. We are on the road to 10K subscribers. I feel like we're gonna hit it pretty fast because we are. Oh yeah, good start to the POV already. Hold up, y'all, cause he could. You see how they be trying me, man? Like I was just trying to make my intro. But let me go ahead and finish saying what I was saying, man. I really appreciate everybody that's showing love to the channel, man. We ready to hit road, or we on the road to 10K. He is cutting up. He is cutting up for real, but obviously I'm not going 166, so don't pay attention to that. Don't pay attention. Boy, you ain't getting out that highway. You ain't getting out that highway. What's up? So what you wanting now for? Oh, so you gonna open it up, but when I get beside you, you don't want to do nothing. You ready to get up? Look at buddy in the rear view. Yeah, you don't want to do it. Yeah, he was gassing it, y'all. Don't take him as a joke. He was gassing it because he was right beside me, but he was in my rear view. For anybody that don't know, that is a RCF. They come with the 5.0. I believe they come with 467 horsepower stock. I ain't gonna lie, man, like I'm not gonna say I'm into the RCFs, but the GSF is something that I've been wanting and I will get. So yeah, I will definitely have one of those. But he did not want it at all. Like, that's crazy, y'all. I didn't even get to make my intro for real, bro. That is crazy. We is 3 minutes in and we already got crazy action. That's crazy. I love manual mode, bro. Manual mode is crazy. You get one of these, bro, you gonna know what I'm talking about, bro. It's like, bro, when you get these paddle shifters, bro, it's like, what is automatic for? Especially like if you on a highway, bro, because you can't obviously drop down to third gear while you on the highway. Like in automatic mode, that's what I meant. But manual mode, all you gotta do is, yeah, let that cat out. That's all you gotta do. One click of a button. Then my rear speed right there. Oh man, what we slowing down for? You got the act coming behind me real fast. Man, what these folks doing? Folks doing, bro? Okay, we got us a little RSX. This thing is loud, man. Roll that window back up. This thing is loud. y'all enjoy my POVs. Let me know down in the comments below, cause I ain't gonna lie, like I really pay attention to all of the comments. You know, I like to hear people feedback. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. Ain't gonna lie, we might got us a crazy collab coming up to the channel soon. I can't wait to show that to y'all boys, man. Here we go, the little CRV. Got the little baby hits. Y'all heard them. Yeah, get out the way, cuz. Got the little baby hits. Nothing too crazy. Let me get over here, Brody. Cut through there. Cut through there. Slow down a little bit. Where the fast things at, man? I don't know where y'all boys at.
Y'all know what's going on, and so do I.
Alright, y'all boys, man. Today is the next day from yesterday. I ain't gonna lie, man. I could not just sit there and give y'all a 7-minute video. So I had to, you know what I'm saying, continue it. But something did happen to the whip, which meant, oh my God. Hold up, I'm gonna let dude go past. Go ahead. He going fast like he in a new 400Z or something. But yeah, man, something happened to the car, and I just felt like I had to show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all 1 second. Oh my God. Thing is nasty, bro, and it look even crazy on camera. But anyway, something happened yesterday, and I was like, man, I gotta show my people, man, because I can't just do that. And also, the vid was only like 7 minutes because of something that happened. You know what I'm saying? I don't really want to speak on it. I mean, it's kind of one of those things, you know, I ain't even gonna say too much. But I had to continue the little POV vlog, whatever you want to call it. And I'm gonna stop somewhere. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. Something is going on with my rear end. It's not nothing like too bad, but it come from like all the sliding and going fast. Obviously, you know what I'm saying? If you break, if you gonna have one of these cars, bro, you gotta have the money to be able to fix it, bro. Like, and honestly, that's just how it is. I ain't tripping, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna get it fixed. I think it's something with like one of my axles, my drive shaft, something like that. I'm gonna show y'all, bro. I'm gonna just show y'all. But we pulling into here so I can tell y'all what's going on and what happened to the whip yesterday. And I'm gonna show y'all the car, cause y'all ain't seen this car in a while. Like, I've been doing POVs lately, so I'm gonna just get out and show y'all. Let me see. I can't even see for real. There we go. All right, let me see if y'all can hear it. Every time I put it in, let me see. Can y'all hear it? It's like a little chirp sound every time I put it in gear, but that's neither here nor there. I'm gonna go ahead and get out and show y'all what happened. There we go. But man, look what somebody did to my bezel, man. I can't believe this, man. I lost this fog light bezel yesterday. I don't know where I lost it at, but I definitely lost it. See, that one's still on. I had to continue the POV. I couldn't go out like that. But I definitely was getting crazy on that highway yesterday. I can't say I won't. Looking beautiful. Looking beautiful. I do got another one on the way. It was only like $30 shipped. So I was like, man, what? Can't believe I lost my fog light bezel, man. It don't even look right, bro. I cannot believe I lost my fog light bezel, bro. Like, come on now, man. Go ahead and show y'all the back. Otherwise, this thing clean. I can't lie. If y'all get a Chrysler 300, man, it is ideal to go ahead and put them springs on, man, because you can't be driving around with the goddamn monster truck height. A lot of y'all, man, I was gonna trash this video. Like, after that happened, I had to end the video. I ain't gonna lie, I was gonna trash this video, but I was like, man, like, this is a good video, and I know my people's gonna want to see it because y'all always saying, you know what I'm saying, you gotta put it on the highway, open it up. And I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and show them the vid, and then show y'all that happen. That's gonna be the end of this video. Y'all make sure y'all go ahead and tell me what y'all think of it down in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel because your boy is on the road to 10K subscribers, man. We about ready to hit 4,000 subscribers, which is crazy because we is growing like crazy. But yeah, man, subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment down below your thoughts, and I see y'all boys on the next video. Gone.